Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And once again, the bulls had a very nice day and the uptrend continues. So quite a few updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning. Get rid of these green lines down here. Yes, they still pertain to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint and not wanting a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, I want to try to keep this as clean and straightforward as possible. So first update though comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about 93 cents as a level of resistance, but now that the price has broken above it and continue to separate from it, 93 cents would be one of the newest areas of support. Ideally speaking, if the price can hold up above the 97-cent mark going forward, that would be the best case scenario. But if the price does drop below 97 cents, I'm not saying everything's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, preferably speaking, if the price can stay above 97 cents, that would be a good sign of power on the bull's part. And then, as I talked about yesterday, taking a step back and looking at the bigger picture of things, really it's all about the purple line, which is the 50-period simple moving average. So for a very simplistic way to kind of just measure the health of the chart, easiest way to do that is as long as the price is up above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Now, what about levels of resistance? At this point, pretty straightforward. The bears kind of made a pretty emphatic, yeah, this is where we're hanging out, so let's get that level mapped out. And that level is up here just simply at the high of, we'll call it about $1.10. Why do I say that? They kind of really made themselves known. Well, it's not like the price hit it and then just slightly went down and something like that. Price hit it and, pulled back quite a bit of a way. So it smacked the price down pretty hard. No, I'm not saying that means that the chart's about to crash or anything like that. I'm just saying that there does seem to be quite a few sellers up there right around that $1.10 range. So that'll be definitely public enemy number one going to next week. All in all, though, big picture perspective, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing in terms of putting in those higher lows, the long-term chart's going to continue to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.